last time it was 7. No. No, that 6 was, I have the data with me, because I have to meet such intelligent people. No, that was split into 6A and 6B. It was ineffectively 7. It was split into 6A and 6B. You can take the statement from me after this. West Bengal first phase. This will be 30 ACs. 30 ACs. Issue of notification 2nd March. Last date of nominations 9th March. Scrutiny of nomination 10th March. Withdrawal of candidature 12th March. Date of poll 27th March. And those 5 districts are Purulia, Bankura, Jhargram, Paschim Midnapur Part 1, Purvo Midnapur Part 1. Am I clear? Second phase. Second phase, again 30 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification 5th March. Last date of nominations 12th March. Scrutiny of nominations 15th March. Last date of withdrawal 17th March. Date of poll 1st April. And the districts covered are Bankura Part 2, Paschim Midnapur Part 2, Purvo Midnapur Part 2, South 24 Pargana Part 1. South Pargana Part 1. Are we clear? Shall we go to the next? Third phase, 31 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification 12th March. Last date of nominations 19th March. Scrutiny of nominations 20th March. Last date of withdrawal 22nd March. Date of poll 6th April. Phase 4. 44 constituencies. 44. Issue of notification 16th March. Last date of nominations 23rd March. Scrutiny of nomination 24th March. Last date of withdrawal 26th March. Date of poll 10th April. The districts covered are Howrah Part 2, Hooghly Part 2, South Pargana Part 3, Alipurdar, all the 5 assembly constituencies, Cooch Behar, all the 9 assembly constituencies. Shall we go to next? 5th phase. 45 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification 23rd March. Last day of nomination 30th March. Scrutiny 31st March. Last date of withdrawal 3rd April. Date of poll 17th April. The districts covered are North Pargana Part 1, Nadia Part 1, Purbo Bardhaman Bardhaman, Part 1. Darjeeling, complete all the 5 constituencies. Kalimpong, 1 constituency, complete. Jalpaiguri, all the 7 constituencies. Shall we go next? Phase 6, 43 constituencies. Issue of notification, 26th March. Last date of nomination, 3rd April. Scrutiny of nominations, 5th April. Last date of withdrawal, 7th April. Date of poll, 22nd April. Forty-three. I can read out the districts again, although they are there in the slide in front of you. But I read out again since you asked. North Pagna Part 2, Nadia Part 2, Purba Bardhaman Part 2, Uttar Dinajpur Part 2. All 9. Uttar Purba Bardhaman, all 8, and Uttar Dinajpur, all 9. Shall we go to the next? 7th phase, 36 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification, 31st March. Last date, 7th April. Scrutiny of nominations, 8th April. Last date of withdrawal, 12th April. Date of poll, 26th April. And the districts covered are Malda, Part 1, Murshidabad, Part 1, Paschim Bardhaman, all 9 ACs, Kolkata South, all 4 ACs, Dakshin Dinajpur, all 6 ACs. If you have gone through it, can we move to the last phase? Issue of notification, 31st March. In all 35 constituencies. Issue of notifications, 31st March. Last date of nominations, 7th April. Scrutiny of nominations, 18th April. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 12th April. Date of poll, 29th April. 35. And the districts covered are Malda Part 2, Murshidabad Part 2, Birbhum Part 2, Birbhum, all 11 assembly constituencies, Calcutta North, all 7 assembly constituencies. As I said in the beginning only, the counting shall be done on 2nd May 2021.